Hello humans, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to be propagating some succulents in Tupperware containers. Yes, I bought these at the Dollar Tree for $1 and it was so worth it. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and make 3 holes and that should do it. Again, it's not that big of a deal if it doesn't have holes because you're only wanting to start the plant in the leaf cutting. I got some brand new scissors, some of these clippers that I thought they were really cute and very handy. They would come in handy. And then I got some of these little pots. Now we're going to go ahead and take this outside and we're going to go ahead and propagate. Oh. So here are both of my containers. The first thing that I need to do is poke some holes in there. So I have an X-Acto knife. The trick with X-Acto knives is you have to work really slowly because the plastic cuts really slowly as well. Well, that does it. Hey, it did a hole just like I wanted it. Come back out, don't get stuck. There's 2. There we go. So those are my 3 holes. I have 1 more hole to go. There are my 4 holes. And so now that we got holes in our Tupperware, we're going to go ahead and put soil in there. I have my soil right here. Okay, finally we're done. So now what we're going to do is get our leaf cuttings and let's do that together. I'm going to take off my gloves for just 1 minute. This one. Succulents that I'm going to use to propagate. And I'm pretty sure you've seen them, but if you haven't, here you go. I'm so wanting to get some more of these, definitely. And this is very different, I like it. And just cutting them off, they come off really easily. And this is the last one I want from this one. And put it aside. The next ones are these. So here you go, I'm just going to go ahead and prop it. Perfect. Prop it again. Perfect. I'm going to do it all the way around. Prop it again. You gotta prop it good. Ah, that one fell. And that's all I want to keep for this one. Okay, now we're getting to this one. This one, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this other side. Hey, Black Bees. Oh, damn. I just cut that earlier, this months ago. And look how much has grown. Hi, Lincoln! Look at that. That's nuts. I need to cut. I would definitely like to separate. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment down below any of your thoughts or feedback. Until next time, happy propagating!